Make a great choice today with the 2019 Veloster. The Veloster's innovative body style and unique design make it unlike any other small car out there. Pair that with a fuel efficiency that pushes the 40 miles per gallon barrier, and you've got one sweet ride, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer. Your new ride is just a phone call away.